made me go too far for no reason. I don't know why he made me do that. I was right on point, as you saw that. So let's tilt it that way. It's kind of a glare due to the light right there, that floodlight. But y'all can see it, right? All right. Well, I'm gonna keep recording, and I'm gonna let y'all watch. And I'm gonna take the bucket from the truck, and I'm gonna go back to the landing zone. This is right now called the lift zone. This is where you pick up the load, which is called the lift zone. The landing zone is where the load is going to be transported to. All right. So let y'all know. Different verbiage that crane operators utilize whenever we're operating out in the field. For y'all inspired crane operators, y'all can kind of get knowledge and wisdom and understanding of the different nomenclatures and algorithms when it comes to crane operating lifestyle and operating in the field. But it's pretty easy. The more you do it, the more easy it becomes. It's like a game. Unlike having a PS or an Xbox controller, you got X, Y axis or joysticks, but it's like playing the game all day long. So here we go. I'm gonna cable up. As you tell, my flagman, he's telling me to cable up. I'm going to boom up, because if I boom up and hold my load, it's going to pull the load away from the truck, so there won't be no collision. Then I'm going to cable up, and we're up and away. Alright. Here we are, coming into the landing zone.
I'm going low, I'm moving downward. Coming, going low, I'm moving down. Alright, going low, moving down a little more. Come on up. Alright, go ahead and clear one down. I mean, go ahead and moving down, boss.
Alright.
What's that?
10-4. Now, one thing about this, now when it comes to swinging concrete, you got to understand, like, when you're pouring concrete in a bucket, that bucket becomes the new headache ball, in a sense. Wherever the friction or wherever the direction of movement you're going, that bucket is going to continue way further than the headache ball. So you have to move real slow when you come into the landing zone, because if you was to, like, let's say you at high throttle, right, and you was to bump the boom lever a little bit too hard, just 1 foot would throw that bucket about 5 feet, and it would be a very, very, very catastrophic day at work for you. So it's who of you to make sure you like come into the landing zone slowly and having full control, positive control of the crane. But I'm going to continue back working, and I just want to show y'all this video. Y'all have a good morning, have a blessed day.